Okay, this is page 296, exercise 16. This is actually pretty much the same as exercise 15. In this situation, there's a playing field that measures 120 by 240, and Karen wants to mow 2/3 of the field for some strange reason by mowing around the outside of the field. So how wide a strip does she mow? I suppose this is the type of problem that plagues Zamboni drivers and field people and who knows. Anyways, here's a field. And there's going to be a strip that's mowed around the outside. That's this stuff. It's all going to get mowed. And the stuff that gets mowed is going to be 2/3, and the stuff that's left in the rough in the middle is going to be 1/3. Now, 120 meters we know, and we know 240 meters, and some quick math will tell us that the total area equals 28,800 meters squared. Okay, so that's 120 times 240. Given that the inner third, 1/3 of the area, is going to be 1/3 of this, and 1/3 of that is 9,600 meters squared. So we know that the length times the width of this little inner patch here is going to be 9,600, and we know that the area of the total field is 28,800. So let's just establish something. We would like to know how wide a strip. How wide a strip does she mow? So this is going to be easier than the way I did it last time. I'm just going to define that strip as x. And as you can see, x is all over the place. Okay, so that's x, that's x, that's x, and that's x. So, whoops, there we go. So, given that it's full of all these x's here, we can just define an equation to calculate the thing in the middle. We know that 120 minus 2x is this distance here. And when we multiply that by 240 minus 2x, the result will be the length times width of the inner portion, which will equal 9,600, which is our inner area. So there's our quadratic. Solve for x. Done.